In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website to your home screen on Microsoft Edge. This simple process will help you access your favorite sites quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge on your device. This tutorial is specifically tailored for Microsoft Edge users, so make sure you're using the correct browser. Once you've opened Edge, you'll notice a home screen where you can start surfing the web. It's designed to provide a streamlined browsing experience with various options and shortcuts handy for you. On this home screen, if you look closely, you will see website shortcuts located right beneath the search bar. These shortcuts are incredibly useful as they allow you to access your most visited or favorite websites with just a click. Now, to expand your collection of shortcuts, you'll notice an Add Shortcut button to the right of these existing icons. Click on this button and it will allow you to create a new shortcut for any website you wish to visit frequently. Once you've clicked the Add Shortcut button, there will be a pop-up menu that appears on your screen. This pop-up acts as the entry point to customize your shortcut. Two main fields will be presented to you, one for the name of the website and another for the URL. Let's begin with the name. Enter a short and descriptive name that clearly identifies the website. The name could either be the exact name of the website or perhaps an abbreviated version if you prefer something more concise. Next, you'll need to enter the URL of the website you want to add. Make sure you input the complete address starting with https:// to ensure that Edge can navigate to the site without any hitches. Double check the URL for any typographical errors, as an incorrect URL could lead to a non-functioning shortcut, defeating the purpose of this task. With the name and URL fields filled in accurately, you are now ready to finalize your shortcut. Simply click the Add button at the bottom of the pop-up. This step solidifies your configuration and places the newly created shortcut prominently on your home screen. You should now see your chosen website icon displayed alongside your other preferred sites, ready for easy access whenever you open Microsoft Edge. And there you have it, you've successfully added a website to your home screen on Microsoft Edge. This shortcut will help streamline your daily browsing routine, saving you time and effort in navigating to your most visited sites. Feel free to add or reorganize your shortcuts as you see fit, customizing your browsing experience to suit your preferences perfectly. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.